sweat so cold that it froze my home. Wanna go to hell cause
my diamonds the same. I'm in the cut like a shank. To pay for my other show, I didn't got paid $250 for a walkthrough. That mean
Now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Yo, what is good, y'all boys? So I apologize for not posting twice last week. We're actually filming Saturday for a leg day, but I ended up filming for Bryce instead because he's been super busy with being a firefighter and just busy in general. So we're like, fuck it, let's do a leg day for his channel. So go watch that, but obviously watch my shit first. Don't watch his shit. Watch my shit first, then go run up his video that I filmed and edited for him. But today we got leg day. I've been filming a leg day for y'all in quite a while. I know I said I was doing this power building style training, and I still am, but lately, like, I've been seeing, I wouldn't say a lot more progress, because obviously you can't really tell progress in that short of a time span, whatever, but I've been feeling a lot better doing Smith machine squats, just because it allows me to really focus on getting a full range of motion, because my mobility is kind of shit right now for barbell squats. And even though that sounds like an excuse, I like Smith machine squats 10 times better, bro. Like I said, I get a complete full range of motion, and I can actually slow down the tempo and not ego lift with the heavy barbell squats. But we still work up to a top set though. Don't get the game fucked up. A nigga's still strong, you know what I'm saying? We still do 405 for some reps. Or wait, how much does a Smith machine bar weigh? Y'all let me know in the comments, because I know it's not 45. I know that bitch is kind of lighter, but we end up working up to a top set or doing our first set with 4 plates anyway. So we might try some crazy shit today, because I took pre for the first time in like 5 days, and even though it won't completely like reset my caffeine, why am I stuttering so much? God damn, I hate taking pre. Even though it won't completely reset my caffeine tolerance, I am feeling good right now. I am feeling hyped up, but I'm literally in the middle of a hurricane right now. Like, I don't know if y'all are from Florida. If you're not, you're probably scared of hurricanes, bro. They're literally not shit. Like, hurricanes, like, it's literally just heavy wind and a little bit of rain. Like, it's nothing to be afraid of, bro. But right now, it is pretty damn windy outside, and I believe the storm is hitting us, like, right now, or within, like, the next couple hours. So, but I don't really give a fuck. It's time for the gym. I'll never skip the gym for nothing. Not even pussy. I lied. And, we about to hit this leg day right now, though. It's gonna be quad focused. We're gonna get a good warm-up in, make sure our hips, knees, and lower back is ready. And then we'll probably end up working up to, actually no, fuck that. We'll probably do the heavy set first, then do back off sets with like 315 pause. Make sure I can get a good tempo, good execution. But yeah, we finna head out right now. Like, I can show you outside real quick, man. It's not really even like all that bad. It's just a little bit windy. But hey, chances are if I fucking crash and die during the middle of this video, like I said, at my funeral, all I want y'all to do is play Babytron, Baby Smooth, and Rio, the Young OG. That's all I care about, nigga.
It was green and red beam on the Glock, but I chased you too. Yeah, she gave that pussy up for free, but I raped her too.
But yeah, this fucking pre-workout got me tweaking right now. And I'm hyped up, I'm ready to go. We better go kill this leg day. It's gonna be a lone session today, so we're gonna be really focused and tuned in and everything. I'm hoping the gym is fucking dead. Like, there's no way these NPCs are still going to the gym in the middle of a hurricane. I'm a dedicated nigga, so of course I'm gonna go. But the NPCs, bro, hell no. It should be dead as hell when we get there. But knowing Crunch, you know, where I go, it's always damn busy. And speaking of that, real quick, we might be switching gyms, y'all boys. There's a new big gym. I don't know if you guys have one where you guys are at, but it's called Club 4 Fitness. And it looks like a pretty good gym, I'm not gonna lie. And they're building a big one, like I wouldn't say right across from Crunch, but like 5-10 minutes down from Crunch. So we might be switching there. I don't know yet. But yeah, we finna go hit this leg day. So I hope y'all ready for this shit. I'm about to go crazy today. I already gotta take a shit though, so it's probably gonna be a while for my warm-ups and everything. But we gonna hit this leg day real quick, and I'll get back to y'all boys and update with y'all with everything I got going on afterwards. But for now, enjoy the leg day.
fuck it, man's gon' 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 fuck it.
Documented street gang members of the Grove City Morgue. Police are
woke up drenched in the sweat so cold that it froze my home. Wanna go to hell cause at least it's warm on the brimstone floor. No love no more, I'm getting frail. And my face is not the same as before. I cannot see who I was before I died and was reborn as a dog. I cannot look myself in the mirror. I cause quakes, last to touch everything that breaks. And I'd rather not even show my face. Cops on the block and they building the case. Hope that they shot put holes in your cake. I don't want nobody safe in the day. This black AK got something to say. It's okay, just back up and pray. What? Yeah. My shawty got a body on it. Tommy got a body on it. I just body my opponents. I'm John Gotti, use a rodent. Got that shotgun round like Ricky. Hit him with a hot one, drum hole 50. Got killer shells like my Tombo's pinky. Bitch curl out like a jumbo shrimpy. Fast when I watch everything I do. CNN, Fox 5, 10 o'clock, new big. Stress, get stressed, and pots too. I'm out rich, kid, rich, and gang by June. So he suck my soul till my dick turn wrong. So he fuck me crazy like a sick cartoon. And I'm not a sage, I go roll, roll. Niggas talking brace, they get boom, boom. Catch tears when they're all down the drain. Can't cry now, fucking self-medicate. Can't catch tears when they're all down the drain. Can't cry now, fucking self-medicate. Can't catch tears when they're all down the drain. Can't cry now, fucking self-medicate. Can't catch tears when they're all down the drain. Can't cry now, fucking self-medicate.
I might have it all, but half of the time I just feel insignificant, incapable, intoxicated. I'm over the pressure, yet feel underprivileged. Like my kingdom is buried in sand. Ozymandias, I am the man. As I look at the cards in my hand, the fortune teller of the terror say terror. I'm sick of artists that chuck up the deuce when they get the juice when you help from the roots. And I'm sick of hoes that walk in and seduce, but then talking shit once you give them the boot. Clear your throat cause you know you a swallower. Up to me, I would kill a whole lot of you. So it's one to the hell of high water.
Alright, what's good, y'all boys? So we riding back on the way home right now. As you can tell, it's not too bad. I mean, you know, it's a hurricane. The winds are probably like 20-30 miles per hour. Where I'm at, Brevard County, West Melbourne, we're getting hit directly with it, but at the same time, it's like a subtropical storm. Like, it's not even a fucking hurricane. Like, why niggas be scared of that shit? Y'all niggas NPCs as hell. But it's like a category like 1 right now, so it's pretty weak. And I say that just because, like, oh, I'm swerving and shit, oh fuck. I say that because, like, Florida generally, when we have like the bad hurricanes, it's usually like a 3, 4, or 5. Like a 1, you know, we chilling, we can ride around, you know what I'm saying? No one's on the streets. It's kind of peaceful, I'm not gonna lie. And bro, the gym was dead as fuck, bro. Like, it was, why did I just get a red light? There's nobody on the street. Hey, y'all boys, look at that shit, bro. There's nobody on the streets. This shit crazy, but hey, we had a great ass session today. Like I said, you know, a little quad focus leg day. We started off with the Smith machine squats, like I said, worked up to a top set for 405, or whatever the fuck the weight is for the Smith machine. And we did what, like 8-10 reps with that shit? That shit was moving, nigga. And then we did some back off sets. I think I did like a 3x6 or 3x8, like paused with 365 or whatever. And moved on to hack squats, supersetted it with sissy squats to get some crazy ass blood flowing through the quads. And moved on to the hamstring movements or the leg extensions. Then we did RDLs. I don't know if I recorded it for this video or portrait mode, because as you guys know, you know, I record videos for TikTok and Instagram too. But we did 365, nigga. 365 for good ass reps on RDLs. That's definitely a rep PR. I'm not gonna lie, my back was bending a little bit, and that's fine as long as you can control it and it's not, you know, bending like throughout the whole movement. But hey, it was pretty solid, you know what I'm saying? And those grips help, bro. Because my friend had gave me some grips and said, because I was using straps before, as you guys know, but now I use grips. Yeah, them bitches are crazy. I need to stop looking at the camera before I crash, nigga. Okay, insurance is not paying for this shit during a hurricane. But yeah, like I said, man, overall great workout tonight. The gym was so dead, bro. I wish it was like that all the time. But like I was saying earlier too, you know, we're gonna try out that new gym once it opens up in a week or two. But overall, with the bulk and everything, you guys know it's gonna take a while. It's just taking it slow every day. I haven't really been tracking my calories like that, but I have been eating a lot cleaner lately, and I have been feeling better. My gut's been feeling better, because you guys know when I was doing that dirty bulk, my gut was fucked up bad. But you know, like I said, we're just taking things day by day, and everything's going good. So we just got to keep pushing and go as hard as I can each workout, because as you guys know, that shit adds up over time. But I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna get something to eat, or not get something, nothing's open, but I'm gonna eat something when I get home. I hope you guys enjoy this little mini vlog, little hurricane leg day type shit. I'll see y'all probably in a couple days. As you guys know, I'm gonna still try to do 2 videos a week, but let me end this video before I crash out. I'll catch y'all boys in the next video, man. They don't give me a free lane, nigga. I'm Need for Speed in this bitch, nigga. Woo!
Fuck it, man's gon' 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 fuck it, man's got 50 likes and Randolph tryna blast off, he wasn't in the face. My way.